Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn the Google Chrome Safe Search feature on or off. Safe Search is a security feature that will limit what is accessed on the Chrome browser. You would turn this on, for instance, if you have young children who have access to the internet. You might also turn this on if you're tired of being hit with junk Google results. One thing to note though is, this is never 100% accurate, so be aware that some results may still be shown. To turn Safe Search on, open Chrome and do a Google search for anything. This is the simplest way that I've found to access the feature. Once you're at the search results page, hit the gear or settings icon on the top right of the page. Inside of here, you'll now see under the Using Search section, Explicit Results Filter. You can learn more about Safe Search if you want by hitting the link underneath and reading the info in there. Toggle this on the right to enable Safe Search. Once Safe Search is enabled, you'll see an alert letting you know, as well as Safe Search on the right under your profile icon. There is another layer of security through safe browsing that you can enable also. To find this, tap the three dots at the top to the far right of the address bar. Next, choose Settings, and inside of here, choose Privacy and Security. Select Security, and then here you can change the Safe Browsing selection to Enhanced Protection. Again, this is just another layer of security that you can enable to help with malicious websites. To turn both of these off, just change this back to standard protection. To turn off Safe Search, just go back to your Google search page, select the settings gear, and then turn off Explicit Results Filter. Safe Search will then be turned off. And that's how you turn Google Chrome Safe Search on or off. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.